think my parents are here. Just to quickly talk about elantech. So I joined 5 years ago. I am also an immigrant, came to Canada 9 years ago. And Montreal was the city that made me feel like home, and I'm here for that. elantech for the last 17 years before Montreal has been an association of founders, have been supporting a lot of founders, and even now the battle is not over. We have so many newcomers in tech, in entrepreneurship, into the city that still feels those barriers. And sometimes the system doesn't help. We are here to create the systems to make something structured, but sometimes it doesn't help. So in essence, what we do is we run some big activities like Open House Montreal, AI Week and the Gala, but people misunderstand what these things mean. More often than not, when you are able to create a space where people from different walks of life, from different ways that they can support each other, you can put a seed in them that can later become entrepreneurship partner. Paolo just did an exercise before where he was asking how many are looking for help and how many can help. That's not just an accident. That was a design made by Paolo, made by Leila, made by the team, where everyone was reached out that they can help each other. That's in essence what elantech is trying to do as well. In AI Week that was held in March, it led to 2,000 people participating, and right now we had 8 incorporations in 6 months in Quebec. 3 of them that are working with Centec right now, that is right over here. And that's the little impact that you can see, but that turns out to be a big impact. So my call to action beyond elantech and what we do is if you see in any events people who are standing alone, who are not comfortable with talking, usually they are looking for that type of support, go talk to them. If you see people who have something to offer, be that connected. I always talk about Tomo over here because he's one of those people who are quiet but are always helping people and connecting. We have a lot of them in the room. Try to be that space for other people too. And this week, there are more than 100 events happening in different walks of life, different industries, different things. Tell people about them, go to them, and be a source of help to other people as well. Thank you.